let's dive into the foundation, which is the types of meetings that exist. The next type is informational. That is where something new needs to be shared with you. A new software program, a new policy, a new procedure. In that case, you'd want to let folks know ahead of time what type of information they're going to be receiving, so that way they can start asking questions of themselves, or for all of the busy bees out there who want to help you out, they can actually send their questions earlier to make sure that you're prepared with answers during the meeting. So for the informational types of meetings, if you can send out this request or this notice at least 1 week ahead of time, that's ideal. Minimum, any type of meeting, the agenda should be going out at least 48 hours before. But the longer ahead of time you can do it, the more think time people have before they attend that meeting.